I'm gonna call.
She's lived with ace deuce.
Me and Mrs. Finland right now, heads up.
I believe it's Ms.
I'm sorry, Miss Finland. All right.
Okay, ace deuce, flat call sa pre-flop. Tignan natin mga bossing.
Let's see a flop.
So there's no Mr.
Okay.
Finland, okay.
There's a 4 on the flop. Ronnie has bottom pair.
Okay, yung flop natin mga bossing ko, queen 5-4. So bottom pair yung 8-4 mga bossing ko. Tapos straight gutshot naman sa ace deuce, no? Bali 3 yung kailangan niya. So tuloy natin, tignan natin kung sino yung mananalo at mananaig. Tignan natin yung turn tsaka river mga bossing.
Hi.
Hi.
Ronnie, if you bust her on the first hand,
He bets.
30,000.
And Sarah raises with a straight draw.
Napaka-aggressive ng race na yun para sa gutshot draw, no? Napakagandang moves no, na pressure niya agad yung kalaban. Pinaisip niya mga bossing ko, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi ako nagpapasindak mga boss. Eto, race ko.
You have something?
Yes, I do.
I believe you. I believe you. 30,000?
Yeah.
it's the way all my relationships start, with lies.
So Ronnie has called the raise and improves to trips on the turn.
Ooh.
Oh boy.
Napakatibay at napakalakas ng turn para sa 8-4 mga bossing ko, no? Trips 4 na siya mga bossing ko, ha? Trio of a kind mga bossing. Trio 4 mga bossing ko, ano? Tignan natin kung ano magiging desisyon nila, kung paano yung mga blapan nila dyan mga boss. Tignan natin.
Why are you checking?
You raised me on the flop.
She bets just over half the pot.
Ronnie, do not bust her.
Grabe continue yung pagbomba ni Miss Finland, no? Ni Sarah, no? Ang lakas niya mga bossing ko, no? Kahit ikaw mapapaisip ka mga bossing ko kung may nakuha ba siyang set sa flop mga bossing ko, no? Kung dalawa ba yung fives niya o dalawa yung queen, no? Ayun yung iniisip ko yun nito nung trio 4. Kaya nahihirapan siya mga bossing ko. Tignan natin kung nangingisda
Ronnie,
ba
do
siya.
not bust her before the swimsuit portion. If he thinks she's bluffing, he'll call. If not, he could raise.
Raise? 155?
Ooh,
255.
She re-raises.
What?
raise na, ni-raise na ng trio 4, nire-raise pa ulit ni Miss Finland, no? Nung ace deuce. Tignan natin, gulat na gulat siya, oh.
Really, huh? 255,000.
Yes.
Mapapaisip ka kung ano ba talaga yung hawak niya, no? Ni-raise ko na. Nire-raise mo pa ulit. Tignan natin mga boss.
Ronnie calls, which means we're going to the river, and that means the cage is coming into play.
Hey, what was her special talent in the Miss Finland contest? Was it punting poker chips?
Ooh,
All
blanco
bricks
mga
out for
bossing
Sarah.
ko.
She has just ace.
Blanco si Miss Finland sa river mga bossing ko, no? Hindi niya nakuha, hindi niya na-hit yung 3 mga bossing ko sa river. Kaya syempre lamang at panalo si ano dito, yung 8-4 mga bossing ko, no? Pero tignan natin mga bossing ko, syempre lahat yan nabablap mga bossing ko, no? Tignan natin mga bossing kung kaya bang i-blap ni Miss Finland itong 8-4 na si Ronnie mga bossing.
Ace high.
Ronnie, she's a little better looking than you. We're kind of rooting for her. Sorry,
Yeah, I
buddy.
know. Check.
She's bluffed every street so far.
All in.
Grabe yung moves na yan, all in talagang. Ibig sabihin talagang taya pati pato na, kumbaga. Papaisip ka ano ba yung hawak niya para i-all in niya to, diba? Kaya natatawa siya syempre sa pagtataka kung bakit.
Oh my God! How is this happening? I thought I wanted to stay and play with you, Miss Finland.
I understand.
I know, I am.
There's a reason why it's the Finnish reputation, right?
I have a 4.
He shows her his hand.
You have 5s full?
Pinakita niya na yung 4 niya mga bossing ko, no? Na-try siya.
Do you have fives full or something?
Sick bluff, kid.
I don't think you'd just raise a queen. I don't have a good kick. I can show both cards, right?
Absolutely. Ronnie must think she has it. He's considering folding this monster.
You know, I have trips. I don't know if I can fold this hand. I don't know how you play. I never played with you before. What is going on here? If I fold this hand and they see this fold and you have like king, queen or something, it's gonna be the most embarrassing thing ever for me. You understand this, right? I don't have any time to think over this hand. I'm like nervous. I don't know what's going on.
And Ronnie's folded.
Holy shnikes.
Grabe pumold. Ang hirap din ang ginawa niya na yun mga bossing ko. Kaya kung nagustuhan nyo to, yung video na to mga bossing ko, no, pwede kayo mag-comment mga bossing kung ano yung masasabi nyo sa laro na to. Kung bakit siya nag-fold mga bossing. Kayo ba ay magpo-fold din mga bossing ko kung kayo yung trio 4 mga bossing ko. At syempre wag nyo na rin kalimutan i-like. At syempre mag-subscribe na rin kayo mga bossing ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga bossing. Tapusin na natin to.
Come on.
It's a bluff.
Ooh, nalaman niya pang bluff mo.
Ronnie, you're going to the cage.
Ang sakit mga bossing.
Is this real
Salamat sa
life?
panonood mga bossing.